No way. Where's the big screen? Let's watch the big screen, man. No way.
When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop. Yo, with the high and the low. Now I'm runway. Are you ready for the bass? My DJ, yo, get on the case. Hyper with the lights on. No fuss, no fighter. I get hyper. When I'm on the rhythm, with the lyrical flow. When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop. When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop.
Sick. Sick. Drift mode. Sick.
When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop. No fuss or fighter, get hyper. Back when I'm on the rhythm with the lyrical flow. When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop. Stop.
The new A45 AMG for 2019 has been confirmed. And they've also confirmed an A45S. Does that mean I need to sell my car now? Oh, sh**. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Stef ABtv. Welcome to another video. And yeah, the A45 AMG and the A45S AMG. Bit of a tongue twister. However, it's been leaked. They've talked about it. We all knew the rumors were coming. Now, do I feel like I have to sell my A45 and wait for the A45S? We're going to talk about that in a moment. But first of all, can we all give a round of applause to the insurance company that is Huck24 in Germany? Yep. The new A45S was leaked because some tool added it to a menu when it came to insurance on a German website. So obviously the internet went wild. Everyone's gone and had a look and realized, oh, this is excellent, let's all make videos on it, myself included, because any opportunity to make any content is, yeah, I like making content anyway. So yeah, so A45, A45S. So what do we know? So we know that the current model, my car, for those of you who don't know, my name is Stef, and I have an A45 AMG myself. I have the facelift model, which is the 380 horsepower version, doing 4.2 to 60, which is rapid. However, there's two new models coming. So let's touch on what the first one looks like. Now, we've already seen the A35. We've seen some videos already out on YouTube and press articles everywhere that the A35 is here. People have already put orders on it. It's coming, and I personally love the A35. Obviously, the only difference between the A35 and what I've got at the moment out there, well, the A35 is a tuned A250 engine, whereas my car, whereas my car is a thoroughbred hand-built AMG engine. Now, that doesn't really make a difference to me, to be fair. The thing that really counts for me is how they drive, how they look, etc. Now, we all know that the interiors on the new Mercedes are absolutely incredible. They don't look like they're from this planet. They look so, so good. Now, rumors about the new A45 and the A45S, we believe, or the internet believes, that we're going to see something at potentially the Geneva Motor Show. Now, Mercedes have opted out from the Detroit Auto Show this year completely, and we believe, or the internet believes, I keep saying we, I am part of the internet. Everybody believes that it's going to happen at the Geneva Motor Show. So, the new A45 is going to be running 382 horsepower, and it's still going to be running the 2-litre turbocharged engine, which is an increase of 6 bhp from the old one, so from my shape. I know I said 380, but officially it's like 376, give and take. So it's going up 6 horsepower, but they've done that for a reason, of course. Now, you're going to get all the bells and whistles as you do with the A35, all the new interior and all that kind of stuff. But let's be honest. The one we all want to know about is the A45S. Now, in the video that we just saw, we saw that there is a rear wheel bias to it, which means that you do have that rear wheel drive drift mode, or rumored to anyway, unless Mercedes are trolling us like their Christmas video. Similar, well, very similar to the Ford Focus RS, where you can flick it between front and rear or fore, and then drift it. I mean, how sick is that? That's just that in itself will make me want to buy one. But the battle that Mercedes have been fighting for the last good few years is Is the A45 ever going to match the RS3? Now that 2.5 cylinder 5-pot engine on the RS3 is just ridiculous. If you've seen quarter mile drag races from an A45 My One and the 5-pot Audi, the Audi is just, it's quicker. The RS3 is quicker, the price is significantly more, but have they done it with the A45S? Now at 416 horsepower, technically it means that's enough horsepower to knock the Audi RS3 off the, you know, the king of the hot hatches, because the Audi RS3 is 396 horsepower and the A45S will be 416. Now they're expecting to get that oomph in boost by some form of hybrid technology. We don't know what that is yet. Maybe some kind of form of electronic boost, almost like a bit of a KERS system, I guess. Which makes sense. It's the way the world's going. We're all going with some form of hybrid or electric. And if they decide to go down the route of electronic boost or KERS or whatnot, you'll have so much lower end torque anyway. But the current A45 AMG, so the facelift one that I've got outside, once you've tuned that to around about 420-ish, you're doing 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. Which means that we're expecting the new A45S to be doing a 0 to 60 time of sub 4 seconds, which is going to be blisteringly quick out the box. What room that will leave for tuning, I don't know. I have no idea. We're all still, you know, eagerly awaiting information from AMG. But yeah, I mean, it's just going to be wicked. It's going to be good. I'm excited to hear what's going on with this car. Price, no idea. We'll wait and see. I would envisage it to be quite expensive. I'd say a base model spec, we're probably looking easily 55 to 60 grand, I would say, for an S. I think the A45, we're looking around about 45 base model, then you start to spec stuff in. I would envisage things such as the aero kit, the premium pack, and all the other good stuff that we've had to spec into our current cars will all be optional extras, and that's where Mercedes get you. So I'll be interested to see how much that costs. But would I buy one? Now that's the question. Would I buy an A45S? A45S? Well, the simple answer is, of course, yes. Will I buy it new? Of course, no, unless there's some mega PCP deals going, because I just can't afford it. I've got so much stuff going on this year, house moves, etc. I wouldn't be able to do it. But also, yes, you get all that beautiful interior, and you look at the beautiful, you know, the styling. You get the drift mode, which is great, you know. But I could do 430 out of mine, and it would be quicker. I don't know. Just throwing it out there. So yeah, should I sell my car to buy an A45S? I mean, I would love to, let's be honest. I would love to have an A45S. It's going to be an incredible car. Let me know what you think. What do you guys think? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. We've got plenty of content on A45 AMGs, loads of other hot hatches, cars, all sorts. And yeah, I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.